Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to lock album on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the Gallery app on your smartphone. And from here, let's create an album first. For that, just tap and hold on the photos which you want to add to the album. Then tap on More. From here, just tap on Move to Album. Then tap on Create. And from here, just create a name for your album. For example, I will name it this. And once you create a name for your album, then tap on Create. Now, if I tap on Albums, as you can see, this is the album which we have created. Now, to lock this album, first of all, just tap on Menu, then tap on Settings. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of About Gallery. Just tap on it. Now, just tap on the Gallery version a few times until you enable Gallery Labs. And once you enable Gallery Labs, just go back and tap on Gallery Labs. And on this page, you will find the option of Album Entry Locks. Just enable this toggle, then select OK. And after you enable Album Entry Locks, just go to your home screen and reboot your Samsung phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. After your Samsung phone finishes restarting, just go to your home screen and open Gallery. From here, just go to the Album section and tap and hold on the album which you want to lock. Then tap on More and select Lock Album. And once you do that, you will lock the album on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And the photos in the locked album will also be hidden in the Pictures section. Just like that. And this is how you can lock album on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.